Hi, in this video we are going to see how to set up HP DeskJet 2723 all-in-one series printer. So this video is also applicable to set up other series printer of HP as well. So let's see how can you do it. This video is divided in three parts. So first of all, let's unbox the printer from the brand packing and connect to the power cord. And now open the web browser in your Windows PC. Like you can open Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox. So here as you can see I have opened Google Chrome, and in browser you need to search official website of HP, which is support.hp.com. as you can see on the screen. I will just click on enter button. After opening the website, just scroll down in below section and you will find a section where you can see identify your product for manuals and specific product information. So I will just search the model name of the printer. So as you can see on the screen, I have searched it and click on submit button. Now it will search all the printers available. So here exact model name is matching with HP DeskJet 2723 all-in-one printer. Just click on that. Now this page will be opened as you can see. So here we will just click on set up your printer on third tab. Now here you can see on the screen 3 easy steps to set up. So we will follow all these steps. Just click on go to printer setup. Now it will redirect in another tab. So here it is also telling you that in easy steps, in 3 steps you can set up your printer. So first unpack your printer and connect to power, right? And after that we have done that. And now after that you need to install HP Smart app to complete setup and support. So we will just click on get HP Smart, and you can also see my my PC is running on Windows 10. So if suppose that your PC is running on different operating system, it will also display you here. So I will just click on get HP Smart app. Now it will redirect on official website of Microsoft. Here as you can see HP Smart, just click on get button. Clicking on get button, it will redirect you in HP store application in your Windows PC. So it will search for HP Smart app. Just wait. As you can see this application icon, it will look like that. So just click on install button. Now it will install in my PC. Wait till installation. The icon of this application look like that, you can see. And because it is already installed in my PC just now, so now it is launching. Till then let's wait. As you can see application is launched now. So first of all add your first printer. So let's connect. You can do a lot of things with HP Smart app, as you can see on the screen. Get supplies, scan, shortcuts, printables, print documents, help and support, print photos, printer settings. So let's first of all click on add printer. Wait on add printer. So it will search all the available printers in the same network. So as you can see on the screen, this DeskJet 2700 series printer is available in my network and it is also online. So I will just click on this. So now this printer will be added in the HP Smart application. So just wait. So now as you can see on the screen, this printer is added and it is ready to print and do all the operations. As you can see, scan, print documents and all. And here estimated supply level of ink is also available, so you can also check the ink level and you can manage your ink level and its cartridge. So in this way you can set up your HP printer through HP Smart application, and you can manage all the operations with this application, as all the options are given here. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer setup, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.